Imagine a team of virus hunters around the world, ready to identify and combat new disease threats before they become pandemics. This is the mission of a global network of doctors and scientists monitoring infection hotspots, driven by climate change and new environments conducive to virus spread. Curious about how this task force operates? Stick around. Formed by doctors, scientists, and labs in collaboration with Abbott, a giant in medical and health devices, this global task force works to prevent new pandemics worldwide. Upon detecting new viruses, they can quickly develop industrial-level diagnostic methods, preparing the ground to contain local outbreaks before they go global. Since they began operations in 2021, these researchers have already identified threats like the Oropouche virus, transmitted by mosquitoes in Colombia, and a rare tick-borne virus in Thailand. In the Colombian case, studies revealed that the virus likely came from Peru or Ecuador, not from Brazil, another disease hotspot. In Thailand, the task force linked an outbreak of severe fever to the SFTSV virus, which had previously only been identified in fewer than 10 patients in the country. A virus lacking easy PCR diagnosis, making it even more challenging to detect. But beyond their fieldwork, the coalition faces an invisible enemy: climate change. As global temperatures rise, disease vectors like mosquitoes expand into new territories and find ideal conditions to reproduce. These extreme weather events push animals closer to populated areas, altering their habitats and forcing viruses to search for new hosts, making it easier for new diseases to emerge. Humanity is already feeling the direct impact of climate change with rising dengue cases in Latin America and the Caribbean, and the spread of West Nile virus in the United States. Researchers warn, what happens in Bangkok today could be in Boston tomorrow. Ongoing vigilance is essential, especially since, even after the COVID-19 pandemic, people have let their guard down. However, this task force stays focused on its mission: to prevent new pandemics and reinforce the importance of remaining vigilant to avoid the next big health crisis. This task force serves as a powerful reminder that, in such an interconnected world, no threat is truly isolated. Their work is more than just science. It's a race against time to protect entire populations from future pandemics. Moving behind the scenes, they detect viruses that might otherwise go unnoticed, ready to respond at the first sign of danger. After all, if the past has taught us anything, it's that the next pandemic is not a question of if, but when. And thanks to these tireless virus hunters, we may be more prepared to face it.